very good afternoon to everyone, and welcome to today's AHT Expert Talk about dolls versus no dolls on commercial refrigeration units. In this 15-minute session, we'll explore how adding dolls or choosing not to impact three key areas: your customers, your employees, and your energy costs. My name is Joreen Chen, and I'm the Marketing Manager at AHT Asia Pacific, based in Singapore. I'll be your host today, guiding you through this presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the chat box, or you can send them to my email address as shown on the screen. Before we begin, here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. We'll start by exploring why the question of dolls or no dolls is important. Next, we will examine how this topic affects purchasing behavior, followed by the energy efficiency benefits for food retail store. We will then look at some real-world trade-off and discuss how to manage or avoid them. I'll also provide a short guide to help you decide whether to install dolls on your commercial refrigeration units. And finally, a summary of key points and the main takeaways. Before discussing the advantages and disadvantages of dolls on refrigeration cabinets, it is important to understand the role refrigeration plays in supermarkets across the Asia-Pacific region. In modern food retail, refrigeration is one of the largest energy consumers. Studies from International Energy Agency and Retail Research Organization indicate that refrigeration systems can account for 40 to 60% of a supermarket total electricity consumption, depending on the climate and store format. This proportion is often even higher in warmer climates. In many parts of Asia, Australia, and China, supermarkets operate in regions with high ambient temperatures and high humidity. These environmental conditions significantly increase the cooling demand of refrigeration systems. Warm and humid air entering refrigerated cabinets increases compressor workload and rises energy consumption. As food retail continues to grow rapidly across Asia-Pacific, energy efficiency in refrigeration has become a key priority for retailers. At the same time, government and energy authorities across the region are also introducing efficiency programs to reduce electricity consumption and support sustainability goals. Because refrigeration represents such a significant proportion of a supermarket's energy use, improving refrigeration efficiency is one of the most effective ways for retailers to lower operating costs. One of the most widely discussed solutions is the installation of glass door on refrigerated display cabinets. In some markets, such as Japan and parts of China, dolls are already common in certain product categories. However, in many other supermarkets, open cabinets are still widely used, especially in large supermarket formats. This brings us to the key question for retailers in the region. Can glass door reduce energy consumption without compromising the shopping experience? To answer that question, we need to consider both energy performance and customer behavior. One of the most common concerns among retailers is the potential impact of dolls on customers' purchasing behavior. This concern is based on a simple assumption. If customers need to open a door to take a product, they may be less likely to make a spontaneous purchase. However, research and retail experience suggest that this concern is often overstated. Studies comparing the sales performance of open cabinets and glass door cabinets have generally found no consistent evidence that dolls reduce product sales. In field evaluation where supermarkets installed dolls on previously open refrigerated cabinets, product sales remain stable even after the change. Likewise, retailers who have implemented dolls report that customers quickly adapt to the new format. Once dolls become part of the store environment, shoppers treat them as a normal part of shopping process. In reality, several other factors have a much stronger influence on purchasing behavior. These include product visibility, lighting quality, cabinet design, store layout, product assortment, and merchandising. As long as products are clearly visible and easy to access, the presence of dolls typically does not create a barrier for customers. In some cases, dolls can even enhance the shopping experience. In warm climates, open refrigerated cabinets release cold air into the store aisles. While this helps keep products cold, it can also create uncomfortable cold zones for shoppers. Glass doors help contain the cold air, resulting in a more comfortable store environment. For this reason, many retailers report an overall improvement in in-store comfort after installing doors. The key message here is that the presence of door alone does not determine sales performance. Factors such as cabinet design, lighting, and product visibility play a far more critical role. The main advantage of installing doors is their ability to significantly improve energy efficiency. Open refrigerated cabinets continuously lose cold air to the surrounding store environment. This happens because cold air naturally falls out of the cabinet while warm ambient air flows in. In hot and humid climates, this effect becomes even stronger as the incoming warm air brings both heat and moisture, increasing the load on the refrigeration system. Installing glass doors significantly reduces this air exchange, helping to stabilize internal temperatures, limit moisture, and reduce compressor workload. Several studies and industrial analysis shows that installing doors on open refrigerated cabinets can reduce refrigeration energy consumption by 30 to 50%, and in some cases, even more in warmer climates. These savings are achieved because doors reduce warm air infiltration, stabilize internal cabinet temperatures, reduce moisture entering the refrigeration system, and reduce compressor workload. In regions such as Southeast Asia, Australia, and Southern China, where ambient temperatures and humidity levels are generally higher in Europe, the potential energy savings from installing doors can be especially significant. For retailers operating in these climates, doors often deliver even greater efficiency benefits than in cooler regions. For supermarkets with large refrigeration systems, this can translate into sustainable electricity savings over the lifetime of the equipment. As electricity prices and energy demand continue to rise across many Asian markets, improving refrigeration efficiency has become a critical component of cost management strategies for food retailers. While the energy benefits are clear, the successful implementation of doors require careful attention to operational factors. One of the most important considerations is humidity control. Many regions across Asia experience high humidity levels, which can lead to condensation forming on glass surfaces. To address this, modern refrigerated cabinets are often equipped with anti-fog coatings or heated glass, ensuring clear product visibility all the time. Store layouts and customer traffic flow are also key considerations. Supermarkets in dense urban areas often experience high customer traffic. In these environments, doors must be designed to allow smooth customer interaction without disrupting the shopping flow. Modern cabinets design address this through lightweight door systems, economic handles, and clear product visibility. Maintenance is also another important consideration. Doors must be closed properly and seal must remain intact to ensure ultimate energy efficiency. Regular maintenance helps ensures that doors continue to perform as expected throughout the lifetime of the equipment. Beyond energy savings, doors offer several additional benefits. These include improved product temperature stability, reduced food waste, more consistent refrigeration performance, and improved store comfort. By reducing warm air infiltration, doors help maintain stable product temperatures and minimize temperature fluctuations, supporting both efficiency and product quality. For retailers in Asia Pacific, the decision to install doors should be based on a combination of energy performance, store conditions, and customer experience. Key factors to evaluate include local climate and humidity levels, store energy consumption, refrigeration system design, customer traffic patterns, maintenance capabilities, space availability, and store layout. Retailers may also conduct pilot projects or test stores to compare the performance of open and doored cabinets under real store conditions. By measuring energy consumption and customer behavior in actual stores, retailers can make informed decisions based on real data rather than assumptions. This approach allows companies to determine whether doors provide the right balance between energy efficiency and customer convenience. To summarize, refrigeration systems are among the largest energy consumptions in supermarkets across this Asia-Pacific region. In warm climates, open refrigerated cabinets allow significant amount of cold air to escape into the store environment, leading to increased energy consumptions. Installing glass door on refrigerated cabinets can significantly reduce this heat load and improve overall energy efficiency. Studies and field data show that energy savings can reach 30 to 50% or more, particularly in warm and humid environments. At the same time, available research indicates that customer purchasing behavior is generally not negatively affected when doors are properly implemented. For retailers in Asia Pacific, the key question is therefore not whether doors can improve efficiency, but how to implement them effectively within the store environment. By considering climate conditions, store layout, and operational practices, retailers can make informed decisions that balance energy efficiency, customer experience, and long-term operating costs. Thank you for taking the time to join us in this expert talk.